Rick is in the background, and you're communicating with him through me because
Correct.
he's too important to get on the phone. Gotcha. Okay. Central Property, busy shopping center, and they want to sell it on Facebook for $55,000. You should just buy it. Worth every penny.
So originally I had scouted the store and didn't know it was for sale. I was doing a little research online, and that's when I found it. So,
all right. That's the way it works. Here we go.
Good afternoon, management office.
Yeah, this is Danny for Rick. Looking at some commercial space.
Where? Please.
Sorry, it's hard to hear you.
Where, sir? New Jersey, there's nothing available now, correct? There's nothing available there now. We have a full house.
Well, okay, I guess you have one center.
Yeah, one big center.
Sure.
Right.
My name's Danny. Who's this?
Brenda.
Brenda? Brenda, one of your tenants.
I work with Rick.
Hi. One of your tenants is attempting to sell their business, and I wanted to reach out and see if any lease might be available before I even consider moving forward.
They are down to the wire between attorneys. They're expecting to sign the lease tomorrow. So you're welcome to call me back Thursday if you'd like. If something happens that somebody backs out, I'll let you know.
Brenda,
that's what the boss just told me.
Everybody but me sounds like they're in hurries.
Calm the bitch down.
So are we talking about the laundromat?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the only thing that's available.
I thought you didn't have anything available.
We don't have anything available. As far as we expect, that lease is going to be signed tomorrow.
So I own 36 coin laundromats in the tri-state area. I've scouted this location. They're trying to sell it on Facebook, which I think is a bit of a joke. And you're telling me, if I'm correct, that they're down to the wire, meaning that they're going to renew. They're going to sign with you and renew their lease?
Nobody said that. Nobody said that. They're down to the wire negotiating with the new buyers.
Oh, with a new buyer. Okay. Brenda, you are a pleasure to speak with. God bless.
I'm just kidding. But seriously.
I'd like to talk to you on I'm sorry, I wasn't finished. So Rick is in the background, and you're communicating with him through me because he's too important to get on the phone. Gotcha. Okay. If and when this buyer buys this business, you are stuck with. She hung up.
nice.
She hung up. Is this? Did I do something wrong?
No.
I'm being serious. Let me know. Was my tone, my tenor? Do I have disrespect for women? What? Just tell me what I did wrong.
It's 4:00. She's ready to go home.
Let's call back. Because that's what I do.
Hi, leave me a message and I'll be happy to. Bye-bye.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished
It went to her voicemail. These people act as though they are the lords of the land, bro. She was sitting at her desk. Rick is the guy I asked for, and she's sitting there conveying, do we have anything?
No.
What's going on with it?
No.
What's going on with it?
Oh, yes.
Hello?
They're down to the wire. I didn't say that.
Yeah, you did. That's exactly what you said. Let me rewind the tape.
They're down to the wire.
So some poor stupid son of a bitch is going to purchase this failed laundromat for God knows what price. The asking was $55,000. And she doesn't want to communicate. Imagine if it went different. She said, hello, sir. How can I help? Oh, let me put you through to Rick. Hi, this is Rick. Hi, Danny. Oh, we'd love to put you in second position if this deal doesn't go through. Here's the thing, bro. Set your calendar for a month. If we see no movement
Alright.
there, we'll call back. We'll deal with Brenda's dumbass. I just wanted to
Got
know
it.
if it was me, if I did anything. I'm supposed to do this all day, every day, and never, ever get upset in any way, shape, or form, which I don't. Never, ever give people any guff. I mean, come on. Give me a break. I'm just making sure it wasn't me.
No, you're good.
Okay. Well, I
Do what I heard.
I don't care either way. At least you get a chortle out of it.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.